Absolutely. I'll name a couple. The first one that comes to mind is really executive buy-in. You heard Jay talk about this in his Identity Access Management Council, talked about Colonel Clancy with the CIO strategy from Department of Defense. Similarly, at Homeland Security, we have a governance council for ICAM as a whole with our CIO and CSO chairing it for the department. But specifically for our lifecycle management or identity governance, we have all of the CXOs for the management directorate chairing a body for this. We take them all of our priorities, we take them the decisions, we take them the blockers, and they really are able to pave the path for us and knock down our hurdles. This is really what's caused us to be able to collaborate across offices, join data across our offices, get that cleaned up, and really change business processes to make these programs successful. So that's number one big ticket item. Get the executive buy-in, because every time you have a challenge, they'll help you knock it down.
Yeah.
The second item, you heard Shane talk about this in terms of customer driven. We have the same mentality in terms of really listen and hear the voice of your customer. While it's great, and I completely agree with compliance and making sure that we're in line with policy.
The wooden mallet.
Right, but ultimately you need to be able to provide your customers what they're looking for. So
Sure.
we have an agenda, we have a backlog of things that we need to get done. We prioritize them. But to be honest with you, we move in an agile fashion, and every time I hear a customer of mine, whether it's a component, a financial system facing an audit finding, one of the CXOs of our council that says they have a specific challenge that we can solve, I prioritize those higher. And as I'm able to meet these customer-driven challenges, I gain more and more support through the organization, and they back our services more, allowing them to expand. And when we get to those hard decisions, we've built that customer buy-in, we've built that executive buy-in, and we're able to achieve more collectively.